We are generally quite agreeable, or I am.
He's very agreeable by nature. Hi, my name is Jenny. I run Food Co, which is an F&B communications agency.
Hi, my name is Colin. I'm an IT business analyst. This is located in Bendemeer. The estate is called Bendemeer Light. It used to be a BTO.
So we wanted a design that was timeless, that's not very trend-driven. We wanted something that's not very common also.
I think the highlight is the coffee setup for me, to have an island, to make it like a home cafe where we can have friends and family over, and even for ourselves, a place to chill. I believe the home is where the heart is, a place where for us as a couple to live, love and laugh, both individually as well as together. When our friends and family come over and they feel that it's cozy, it's comfortable, it's an enjoyable enough space for them to linger around.